What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. So today we are with the Mini once again. So I know in previous videos I have stated a lot that I was going to be, doing major changes, that there was going to be a lot of parts coming in, and that was true. I ended up doing, one major mod that I've always wanted to do to this car, but, it's expensive, and I just needed the right deal to fall through to actually be able to go through with it. So I ended up bagging my car. So for those who don't know what bagging is, it's air suspension. You can raise and lower the car as you wish as you go on. So I ended up bagging the car. The Rotiform RSC wheels that I also had in the car, I sold them. I got new wheels as well. So I'm going to show you that now. But I'm super happy. I think it was a really good decision. The car rides way better than the coilovers that I had on it. And the car just looks good. I can drive low. If I need to go over speed bump, I can go over speed bump without a problem. Car looks good. I can park it. It really complements the car, I really feel. I know most people, like minis, you're not supposed to make them into like a stance car or anything like that. You're supposed to track them, but I just decided to go different directions. So without further ado, let me just show you the car. Let me show you the wheels that I went with as well. So this is how the car sits right now. I mean, it's pretty much on the floor. And the wheels, these are a multi-piece. They're MTechnica AERO Wheels. They are 17x9 all around with a 20 offset all around. So the wheels I had previously were 17x8 with a 30 offset. So these wheels are an inch wider with a 10mm more aggressive offset. So the car pretty much sits fender lip all around. I do have to try and dial the front fitment a little bit. The rear does sit really nicely, but I really am going to have to try and dial the front fitment. It does sit on the tire a little bit, but that's okay. And I ended up going with the 3P management system. So I actually got this kit off of a friend who was selling, well, I got the kit and the wheels off of a buddy that was selling them because he was parting out his Mini. So it was a direct drop-in. It was, pretty simple. It is a 3P system. Let me show you the trunk setup. It's a pretty simple trunk setup. It is a little dirty back here, but it's just a hardwood floor. These stickers are probably going to be coming off, but tank, and under here we got the false floor with it's just one compressor, the valve block, tank. So there's the false floor for it. So that's the tank right there. Just a simple setup. I might be doing something a little nicer probably for the show season. The compressor's probably going to kick on because I aired up before this, so it's probably going to be loud for a second. But let me show you the controller as well. There goes the compressor. I'll let that kick on while we wait. But anyways, yeah, so I got the wheels and I got the air ride for a super good deal, so I really can't complain. And it's something that I wanted to do. I had sold my old suspension, my old coilovers right away. My wheels sold the day after I posted them. So, I mean, for what I put out of pocket for this kind of setup, I really don't think it was not worth it. I'm super glad that I did. Like I said, I am going to show you, my presets, my ride heights and stuff like that, and how the controller is and all that. But so far, I've had it for a couple days bagged. I did do the install myself. I am a little disappointed that I didn't make a video, but it was my first air install. So I really wanted to just bang it out. Myself and a buddy did it. So I really did want to just bang out the air install. I know I should have made a video on it, about everything, but I might in the future. I might go over the way I did it so that people get an idea if anybody's, wondering. But like I said, I am a little disappointed that I didn't make a video. I just wanted to get it done. I would have banged it out in one night. Only thing is that I didn't have enough airline for the front. I did replace obviously all the 1/4 airline that came with the kit because after a while it might get a little brittle. So I did get new airline. That's why I had to wait. I ran the management the first night that I did it. I ran the rear backs, and I did have a little extra airline that one of my buddies had, but I had to wait for the front to come in. So that was it. But let me show you the setup, the controller, my ride heights and all that. So right now, obviously the car's air out. I do have my controller mounted up here for now. Might want to get like a nice mount or something for it. But let me show you. This is my regular ride height if it decides to focus. Let me drop it down here. This is my regular ride height, 5550. This is a high ride height in case I need to get, you know, over like speed bumps or something like that. And this is my lower setting. I usually don't drive on this setting. I notice that I do rub a little bit, so if I'm trying to get rollers on the highway, I'll do like 45, 40, make sure it's like a flat surface, but I do notice that I do rub a little bit in the front and the rear when I ride at that height, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to mess up the fenders on the car, or I don't want to mess up the wheels or eat through the tires or anything like that. So, and then obviously the last one is air out. So let me show you my ride height. Usually what I do. So this is usually what I'm riding at right now, which is not too bad. So there's some clearance in the rear right there, and then in the front I'm giving myself enough room to obviously make it over things, but all in all I think it looks like super good. Once again, sorry the compressor's a little loud, but and this is the car completely all the way aired up. So I mean, in the case for me, like, you could legit fit like a full fist in the front, and you could fit a full fist in the rear. So it definitely raises the car a ton. So for the way I want to have the car, I just feel like it's very practical just to be able to have the availability to raise and lower the car as I please. I mean, it's just simple. And just because I don't daily the car, I really don't need, you know, something, you know, I could just have a suspension like this and not worry whatsoever. So at least for me, it's definitely beneficial. So that's just my opinion. I will make a video soon, like, you know, the benefits, the perks of having bags and whatnot, and I could show another video how to like use your 3P if you're confused on how to like install presets and the different settings on the controller and all that. I will make another video like that as well, but I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, I did bag my car. I love it so far. I think it looks super good. I'll air it out for you guys, but so oh, I closed my door so they didn't let it air out. That was my fault. That was my fault. Sorry guys. Let me do it. There we go. So this is with the car aired out. But anyways, I'm super happy. I'm glad I got to install the air ride myself. This is just a little, like, I guess, update video on what's been going on with the car. So new wheels, air ride. I do have a couple other like little parts I'll be putting on soon. Maybe I'll make a quick video because I have a couple of like little cosmetic parts that are going to be going on the car, so it'll probably make into a nice quick little video. But anyways guys, this is my car. This is what's been going on with it. Like I said, I will be making another video that has to do with the management itself, how to use it, you know, make presets, all the different availability, all the different functions that you can have for it. But yeah, and I'll go over, you know, my impressions of the air ride. Now, I used to have a bad car in the past, like before I did like YouTube videos and whatnot, and I loved it, but I got tired of the car super quick because it just wasn't something that I wanted. So that's why I never really drove too much on a bad car. But now, obviously, I'm going to be keeping this car for a while, so I'll be able to give you a good understanding of what I think about it and how I feel about it. So honestly guys, I'm super happy. Once again, I love the way the car looks. It definitely complements just everything, the wheels to, I don't know, I'm just super happy. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this was just like a little update video. And once again, look at the gorgeous headlights. I absolutely love the headlights in this car now. I mean, it completely changes the front end look of this car. Like, this is beautiful. I love these lights. But here's one more shot of the car. And in the background, you got the nice skyline of the city right there. So this is a nice little parking deck that it's nice to film at. Nice scenery. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, this is just a quick update video on what, you know, I've been doing with the car the past couple days. So I'll be making a couple more videos about this whole air ride stuff soon. So stay tuned. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Once again, the channel has been doing super well for what it is, and I can't complain. Like, you guys have been great. You know, I have some subs now that, you know, comment on every single one of my videos, like all my videos, have supported what I make. I know my videos aren't fantastic. I'm still getting used to this. You know, I have a full-time job where I work 40-50 plus hours a week. So I make videos in the time that I can. So, you know, hopefully, you know, maybe one day YouTube will be a full-time thing for me. Maybe it won't. I mean, I just enjoy doing it. I like, you know, going over the things that I do with my car. I think it's super fun. I know why people do it. I know why there are car vloggers and YouTubers out there now, because it's just fun. It's fun sharing your experiences. It's fun showing the world, like, what you like doing with your cars. And honestly, it's just a nice accomplishment when there's people liking your videos and supporting you and just wanting you to do more, giving you tips and ideas and tricks on how to do certain things. And it's just like a really nice community. Obviously, you got the nasty people that don't want to support anything and they're just all negative all the time, but I mean, it's been great. So thank you guys, seriously. I mean, hopefully I'll be able to reach 2,000 subs by the end of December. We're almost at 1,800, so hopefully maybe I can get another 100, 200 subs by the end of the year. And maybe next year I'll be able to get, you know, maybe 5,000, 10,000 subs, which honestly would be crazy. I mean, obviously in terms of like other YouTubers, that's really not a lot, but like I said, I'm just happy for the people that watch. I'm glad that people have enjoyed my videos, and I'm glad that I have constant subs that just, you know, like, comment, and, you know, and just enjoy what I do, ask questions, you know, and once again, it's just fun. So I'm super happy that I'm doing this, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the car. Once again, I'll show you one more time the car laid out, just completely aired out, and I just think it looks really nice. Hopefully you guys like it. But once again, for anybody that's new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, just tell me what you think. You know, what plans do you guys have for your cars, and just enjoy. Really, just enjoy. Like, I'm super happy that I'm doing this. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. It's been an adventure. I'm glad I was able to do it myself and save me some shop money and just learn, you know, the wiring and the installing the airlines, running the airlines. It was just super fun. So anyways, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy the car. Like, comment, and subscribe. More videos are going to be coming out hopefully this week. I should be able to make a video tomorrow that'll be coming out sometime next week, which would be the first week of December. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.